Hello friends. Welcome to a new video. Today we're preparing an amazing tricolor quinoa salad with white, red, and black quinoa. This recipe is nutritious, colorful, and delicious. This is Nutri-intelligence. Let's get started. For this recipe, the main ingredient will be tricolor quinoa, white, red, and black quinoa, which is highly valued for its taste, versatility in various recipes, and high content of protein, vitamins, and minerals. In Peru, it's an ancient grain cherished since Inca times, and it's a crop well suited to our diverse climates. You can find it already mixed or each color separately. This mix will add a vibrant touch of color to the dish and more nutrients. We're adding half a cup of quinoa to a bowl. Here in Peru, a 500 g bag is priced at S6, about $1.60. It's organic quinoa that I buy at local farmers markets. If you're unsure where to find these markets, I'll share a video with all the details at the end. To make it ready to eat, we first need to wash it thoroughly to remove the saponin, a natural soapy layer that can taste bitter but comes off easily with washing. After washing, we'll soak it in water overnight, or for at least an hour to activate the grain. This helps us absorb its nutrients better and also shortens the cooking time. Now, we'll rinse it and cook it. Place the activated tricolor quinoa in a pot, cover it with water, and cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes, stirring and ensuring the water doesn't fully evaporate before it's done. Meanwhile, we'll chop the vegetables for the salad. I chose green and purple lettuce, 1 large tomato, saigua to add a crunchy touch, and avocado for balance and creaminess. This way, we have a salad high in protein, fiber, vitamin C, and more nutrients. We peel the tomato, cut it into pieces, and add it to the bowl. Let's check the quinoa. It's boiling. Keep testing it. It should be soft before taking it off the heat. Next, we'll work with the saigua, a unique-looking but delicious vegetable. Cut it in half, remove the black seeds and the stem. Slice it into strips, then into squares. It goes directly into the bowl, adding crunch to the salad. The quinoa is almost ready. It's softening but needs a bit more water, so let's add more now. At this point, add pink or sea salt. Avoid highly refined commercial salts when possible. We're using purple and green lettuce to add more color, making the salad full of antioxidants that help keep our skin healthy and beautiful. Take a few leaves of each color, wash, chop, and remove the thicker stem parts. Now the quinoa is ready. It's increased in size and is soft to the bite. But it shouldn't be overcooked. It should still hold its shape and stay a bit crunchy. Take it off the heat, use a strainer to remove the hot water, and rinse it with cold water, which will prevent the salad from becoming warm. We'll save the lime and avocado for last. Squeeze for limes. It's even better if they're cold from the fridge, as it makes the salad feel even fresher. Add a creamy avocado, a few pinches of salt to taste, add the cool tricolor quinoa, and mix well, always tasting to ensure it's perfectly seasoned with salt and lime. If you like, a little olive oil is a nice addition, but I'm sticking with the avocado's own oils this time. Serve, and for each plate, add a few avocado cubes so they don't get mashed. And that's it, friends. Here's our tricolor quinoa salad, a fantastic dish perfect for sharing with family or friends. This bowl serves two. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Comment below if you'd like more quinoa recipes. This was Nutri Intelligence. Please support us with a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Remember, our immune system is our best defense. Until next time.